Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to reset suggest content on Instagram in 2025. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Instagram application. So this is my Instagram application. Now I just want to make sure my suggest content should be reset. What I have to do here? So in your right hand side corner you will find an option called your profile picture. Just hit the button of your profile picture. So there will be entire profile picture will be available for the settings. So you need to check your edit profile picture, share profile, and your profile details. Everything will be there. So on top you will find an option called a sandwich menu, that is 3 lines. Just hit the button, it will move into a settings option over here. As you see here, settings and activities, just scroll down, you will have an option called content preference. So as you see here, so there are plenty of options over there. So just scroll down, you will have your content preference over here. So yeah, so this is a content preference. So in what you see, so here just hit the button of the content preference. So you can have the interested content, not the interested content, and specific words, everything will be there. So if you want to less political content, you want, just click here to make sure you can see the less political content, for example, if you want. So otherwise just go back, there will be a reset suggest content will be there. So there will be a content suggestions will be there in a different format of adult contents will be there. So I just click here for reset content. So want to fresh start, so for example you want to start a fresh start, just click the next option, automatically your suggest content will be moved into that reset a suggest content format. So just click here to reset suggest content. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes, I want to reset. Just click here. So automatically your content will be refreshed and you will have a fresh and neat story over here. So this is a simple and easiest way to reset your entire content. You have see all new posters over here, so that it is easy to have access over there in the Instagram. So use this option to reset your content over here. So simple and easiest step, go to content preference and reset your content suggestions. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.